Hi Barbara, this is Kevin. I'm working on your Dodge van, and I only got it to not start one time, and I put some test equipment on it. Of course, it never did it again. So I'm searching for the reason, and this right here is your starter, and this is the main cable that comes from the battery. And just a visual shaking it, it's super loose. And I'm thinking this is where the intermittency of it's coming from. I cannot guarantee this is your problem, but I'm going to tighten it up, and hopefully that should remedy it. Also, the battery did test weak, so I'm going to give you a price on replacing the battery. But I hope this is a good explanation to what's going on. Thank you.